Tarmac Works has really come a long way. From the very first Hong Kong toy show, Honda Civic EG6 Group A Racing in 164, to their very own club car, the Porsche RWB 930, with their very own Tarmac Works owner clubs. Not to mention they are the very first maker to replicate large-scale model car to 164, giving it the same attention to details and also quality materials. This Stella Artois Porsche RWB 930 is one of Tarmac's best casting. Many collectors fell in love with the RWB, including me. I have did a comprehensive review for this Stella Artois RWB. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's unbox this RWB 930 Southern Cross from the Tarmac Works Owners Club packaging. The outer box is made of recycled material. It's very organic and environmental friendly. The Tarmac Works Owner Clubs are in stencil font and also comes with an angular design instead of vertical, which will look more like their signature container design. And now let's open the magnetic flap. It shows the very sleek membership card in metal. The Owners Club and the angular line are die cut. The Tarmac Works logo is engraved, and my membership number is 630 out of 1005. This membership card was sold out really fast. If you missed the first round, don't despair. There's always a second chance. Tarmac Works has announced earlier that they will release the second membership card very soon, so stay tuned to their Instagram or Facebook page. This membership card is really sleek and seems like the edges are quite sharp as well. In fact, now I recall this is my second metal card. My very first one is the Tomica Limited Vintage, which is also a Hong Kong special edition that comes along with a metal card. Now let's take a closer look at the RWB 930 Southern Cross. The paint job is similar to the actual RWB Southern Cross in Australia. The sleeve looks very premium in gloss black with only the logos. Wow, this RWB 930 looks equally amazing as the Stella Artois version. It has the same level of details and attention given to this casting. The base comes in their signature tarmac texture. You can see it's only limited to 1,500 members for now. What really caught my attention is this very small pink ribbon at the side. This signifies that Tarmac Works support the breast cancer awareness movement, and that's commendable. The wheel set is similar to the Apple RWB 930, which I reviewed earlier. The front is amazing, especially the headlights, which really impressed me. The rear wings and lights are equally awesome as well, with the RWB logo type in gold. I'm really happy that the wheels are able to spin and roll for Tarmac recent casting, and that's great. Overall, this Southern Cross RWB is an awesome casting, and it pairs really well with the all-black Stella Artois version in gold wheels. I'm also very happy that many collectors share their member cards in Facebook and Instagram with their membership number. Remember, if you never get your member cards, there's a second chance. What do you think of this Southern Cross casting? And what numbers do you get? Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.